god. The Cybertruck in person.
Total dream truck.
We should test drive it.
No.
Oh.
But this is a total dream truck.
Why can't we test drive it?
Look at the little steering wheel.
Why can't we test drive it?
Oh my god. Cameras.
Why can't we
Look
test
at that thing.
Oh my.
Mommy,
Wow.
William, because we're not.
No, I know. Maybe one day.
I said, why can't we test drive it?
Whoa. Yeah. Golly, is that thing nice? Golly, does that make? Like, look how much space you have. Like, look how much space you have up there. Like. My God, that's so cool. You have so much space up in the front for anything.
How big those windows are. Like the thing in the sunroof goes back in. Look how long the sunroof is.
Dang. Look how much
It goes all
storage
in.
you have in the front.
At the front? Is it a front? Does
Yeah.
it open up there and it's a
Yeah.
storage in there?
No, look, it opens up right here.
That's
Look, it
cool.
opens up right here.
Right here.
Look, you can see where it opens. Just this whole panel opens.
This thing does, it opens up?
Yeah,
Or
because
is it open to the side? Oh, it opens up.
it's electric.
Right? So we saw it like, what? Look at the lights on it.
Oh.